Okay, started the recording. Oh my gosh.
How dare that you violate me like that?
So
That's so cool.
there is a mud thing over here. Be careful. This mud is wet.
Mud is wet? Really?
Oh my gosh.
No, I thought it was dirt.
So I actually want to touch it. Hold on. So, oh, I just stepped in a big clump of mud. Ew. There's animal tracks.
Oh, you didn't notice?
I just saw it. Animal tracks. There's
They're
multiple
deer prints.
deer. Okay, so the most common animal here is probably the deer. So, of course, there's going to be deer prints. There is multiple tracks. So it might be another deer or another animal.
Get over here.
It might be another animal, that's what I said. I just got new shoes, and I don't want to wash them.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Like a bird footprint.
I could only assume there would be turkeys here. That's just, my guess. I might be getting a lot of bites from this, but it's fine. Ooh, look at this. It seems that a tree fell down over here. As you can see right here, a tree. What? Someone's shirt. Okay. This is really cool though. I heard something. Oh, free stick. There's a pit here. There's a pit. Okay. I think I do too. So we're gonna end the recording. Hello.